At golden dusk, three weary friends tread a winding mountain path, their steps slow from hunger and fatigue. Suddenly, a towering tree laden with ripe, shining fruits appears beside the path, offering an unexpected bounty. The friends sit under the shade, sharing the fruit, while the first friend closes his eyes and whispers a prayer of gratitude. The second friend lifts his gaze to the heavens, thanking the one who planted this generous tree. The third friend silently collects the fallen seeds, cradling them gently for future growth. He plants the seeds in fertile soil, waters them, and guards them with patient devotion. Time lapses as the saplings stretch upward, becoming a magnificent towering tree heavy with abundant fruit. People of all ages gather, joyfully plucking the ripe fruit from the bountiful branches. The tree's original planter smiles and asks each visitor how they will offer thanks to the creator after enjoying the fruit. The camera rises toward the radiant sky, delivering the final message that gratitude lives in deeds, not just words urging us to spread goodness forward.